a judge has blocked a new rule that requires Georgia Election Day ballots to be counted by hand after the close of voting. The ruling came a day after the same judge ruled that county election officials must certify election results by the deadline set in law. The rulings are victories for Democrats, liberal voting rights groups, and some legal experts who have raised concerns that Donald Trump's allies could refuse to certify the results if the former president loses to Democratic Vice President Kamala Harris in next month's presidential election. They have also argued that new rules enacted by the Trump-endorsed majority on the state election board could be used to stop or delay certification and to undermine public confidence in the results. The state election board last month passed the rule requiring that 3 poll workers each count the paper ballots, not votes, by hand after the polls close. The county election board in Cobb County in Atlanta's suburbs had filed a lawsuit seeking to have a judge declare that rule and 5 others recently passed by the state board invalid, saying they exceed the state board's authority, weren't adopted in compliance with the law, and are unreasonable. In a ruling late Tuesday, Fulton County Superior Court Judge Robert McBurney wrote that the hand count rule is too much, too late, and blocked its enforcement while he considers the merits of the case. McBurney on Monday had ruled in a separate case that no election superintendent or member of a board of elections and registration may refuse to certify or abstain from certifying election results under any circumstance. While they are entitled to inspect the conduct of an election and to review related documents, he wrote, any delay in receiving such information is not a basis for refusing to certify the election results or abstaining from doing so. Georgia law says county election superintendents, generally multi-member boards, shall certify election results by 5 p.m. on the Monday after an election, or the Tuesday if Monday is a holiday, as it is this year. The 2 rulings came as early in-person voting began Tuesday in Georgia. In blocking the hand count rule, McBurney noted that there are no guidelines or training tools for its implementation, and that the Secretary of State had said the rule was passed too late for his office to provide meaningful training or support. The judge also wrote that no allowances have been made in county election budgets to provide for additional personnel or expenses associated with the rule. The administrative chaos that will, not may, ensue is entirely inconsistent with the obligations of our boards of elections and the SEB to ensure that our elections are fair, legal, and orderly, he wrote.